Guys will not gatekeep these two amazing shawarma places anymore. First ganap of the day, the LJ Shawarma House in Taft Avenue, Pasay Corner, Buendia, beside LRT1 station. Long story short, I accidentally discovered this gastronomical spot way back in 2010 nung naghahanap ako ng work sa Makati. Ever since, pag nagagawi ako sa area, I make it to a point na kumain dito. Sobrang sulit at solid ng shawarma rice nila for 99 pesos only. A must try. Shawarma with feta. Regular is 60, large is 70. Very flavorful, hindi tinipid sa karne at veggies. And the yogurt sauce is creamy at anli na din. The second panalo budget meal location is Mike Shawarma sa tapat ng UE Gastambite. Dito ako madalas kumain way back while I was studying in Mary Child's College. Malapit lang kasi sa school ko. Literal na moraita ang presyo. Shawarma rice, imagine for 65 pesos. Shawarma pita, all beef, 60 pesos, and with cheese naman for 55 pesos only. Sobrang shawarma talaga sa lasa at pangmasang presyo. If you're craving for shawarma and shawarma rice on a budget, attack na kayo dito.